Senate President pro tempore Loren Legarda was all praise for Senate President Juan Miguel Zubiri as she brushes off the possibility of a shakeup in the upper chamber's leadership. Asked about the possible change in Senate leadership, Legarda was firm that there would be no change, expressing full support for Zubiri. She praised Zubiri, saying he deserved to be called trabajador ng Senado. Legarda also appreciated Zubiri's good working relations with both the Senate majority and minority blocs. Since he assumed the office of Senate President, rumors have been swirling of attempts to oust Zubiri. But Legarda remarked that we shouldn't fix something that isn't broken.
Why would you fix something that's not broken? You should see how he works. Talagang, meron pa kaming Viber thread, small group. Ang sipag-sipag, madaling lapitan ng lahat, ng mga senators. And ay sabi ko, I don't know how you can take all the stress. I've not seen him na hindi nakangiti. So, he's really bagay sa kanyang slogan na trabahador ng Senado. And very approachable. Amiable, approachable, hardworking, and consensual.